Guys, Joy here, and I'm back with a new tutorial about Photoshop, and today we're gonna discuss about how to edit our first image in Photoshop. So let's get started. So go ahead and open up a file. I'll be putting the link in the description of this file. You can use it to edit and practice. Okay, so as you can see, the image is a bit desaturated and it doesn't look good at all. So what we're gonna do, we will make a new adjustment layer and try editing the image. Okay, so where the adjustment layer is. Okay, but first let's unlock the background. Double click on the background to convert it into a layer. You can give the layer any name you want. Suppose I'm giving it a name like edit. Okay, so create a new adjustment layer. Click on this adjustment layer and click on brightness and contrast. After the brightness and contrast has been loaded, you can see the properties panel up here. So what we're gonna do, yes, we're gonna be adjusting the brightness. We'll be increasing the brightness. Okay, 85, 98 looks perfect, and we will be increasing the contrast. Okay, so contrast up to 65 perfectly fits. So the next thing we will be trying is adding a exposure. So let's try increasing the exposure. Yeah, after this. Okay, then the gamma correction, let's decrease a bit. Okay, so now you can see there are many lighter parts in the image which will really reflect the light, and it's a bit irritating. So to control that, let's make all the visible layer into one layer. So what we're gonna do, we'll hit Ctrl Shift Alt and E to make a new layer. See, a new layer has been made. Now we're gonna go to the filter and camera raw filter. Here, the camera raw filter, we will be adjusting the image again. Now what we're gonna do, we will be adjusting the temperature. We will be cooling down the image a little bit. Okay, and then the highlights, will decrease the highlights a little bit, so these parts are clearly visible. Now don't worry about the colors of this image, we'll be editing just now. Okay, so the wider parts of the image, let's decrease a little bit so it becomes visible. Okay, so the next thing is the HSL adjustment, but we are working with the HSL adjustment. Okay, now here HSL adjustment, select saturation. Now saturation, now here are the red parts of the image, so I will drag the saturation level of the red to the right hand side, and you can see the red parts are clearly visible. Now there are also the green parts of the image, so what will I do, I will drag it down until it looks a bit natural. Now I will go to the luminance and adjust the luminance of this. So red luminance, it decrease a little bit. Okay, it's perfect. Orange up to -13, it's alright. And it's green, more greener. Okay, so this looks perfectly natural. Okay, now you can add a vignette effect, that is the darkening these corners of this image. So what we're gonna do, we will be just post crop vignetting. We will be adjusting the vignette, making it side a bit darker. Again, increasing the midpoint so my image is clearly visible, and roundness will be increasing the roundness, so only the top corners are just dark, like this. Again, a feather, how much the dark will fade it, and then the highlights. So these are the values I have adjusted. You can use your own value, or you can use my value as well. Okay, now we will click on OK. Now have a look at this page. Okay, so what it was before. Okay, let's disable this layer. So this was the image, this is the edited. Okay, this was the tutorial about how to use Photoshop. If you're using Photoshop the first time, probably this has been very helpful to you, and probably you should be practicing this as well with another images. So today's tutorial was about this, how to edit your first image in Photoshop. And guys, do hit that like button and do subscribe to my channel. I'm a new YouTuber, I need your support, and I will be back with many more amazing tutorials. Please stay tuned. Thank you guys.